to the Chelsea demolition. Mommy starting to say, look, say the numbers behind Chelsea win that. It tells you only one thing. Which share numbers in the year. Chelsea under Enzo Maresca possessing 62% against Wolves. But look at something. Throughout the whole game, 90 minutes, Chelsea bought 14 shots. Wolves about 12. Out of 12 now Wolves boy, only have 4 shots on targets. Out of the 4 shots on target, only say 2. Out of 14 shots now Chelsea boy, Rich, only 8 shots on target. 8 shots on target now Chelsea boy, only say 6. This is too much of efficiency. Too much. So we bought 8 shots akopomu. Now 8 shots now we akopomu no. 6. That is clinical from Chelsea. And Rich, so Chelsea game no boy now. It was not the first time Chelsea has played so well, created a lot of chances. So, but the difference is say Chelsea were not scoring and not being so clinical. And he said, our money no against Wolverhampton Wanderers. Now it started from Nicolas Jackson, and I'm always happy if he scores because there's a lot of pressure on the gentleman. Now, Rich, look, say, striker. One of the things you must develop is your instinct to be at the right place at the right time. He was at the right place at the right time. On him say, wrestling for 4 namo, our first pole. So flick be about second pole. He had the instinct to be there. And I lack a shining on him and a born about tono and on head born say. But this is the problem I have to Nicolas Jackson Rich. Right after the game. Then he goes on Instagram story and take a dig at Mikel Obi. Obi say so Oshe in 98 seconds. What it means is that Oshe the fastest Premier League goal for Chelsea since 2017. Rich, Nicolas Jackson said, Mikel Obi, shut your mouth. Don't talk shit. We are killing ourselves for Africa. Now, the message I get from Nico and he said, Mikel Obi said, look, say Osha Chelsea history. There are a lot of Africans abebo. Didier Drogba, Michael Essien, Wo Mikel Obi, Bobby. This is our time to follow the African heritage of Chelsea. But so when you opportunity to talk about us, then you are talking little about say, Chelsea maybe you come now we stars and superstars about Chelsea now and then the guy is disappointed saying Mikel Obi and Chelsea as once all your African brother and Kabimano. Rich, me only what I think about this. Said Nico. Ever fast someone Mikel Obi kafana hono as a positive reinforcement. Now, Obeshe go be able to do that time and Obeshe no be doing that time. That is it. So Otimiko so no said ya. Young season no adi Mikel Obi atam 30. I mean say was 30 goals. And nobody will care. Because the Mikel Obi can say so Osho maybe a job on performance was top notch. Now you have to score and Nico is delivering. Look, I bet you friend Kopama there. Rich. The debate about the natural position no. I clear. Change say, look, the guy is a typical number 10. But a 2 area season, you know. Anytime Biano Bobo Kopama number 10 Biano, Chelsea were able to create a lot of chances and score a lot of goals. Now, Rich, I assist now on the man Moduke 3 times in the Kumino. But the intelligence with the goal no say. And also before we can assist no, I want them only a few classes Kopama say go. But out of the goals they say now, almost say the most excellent goal, very very good goal. Look at the weight of the ball now, boy. If you be a goalkeeper, I keep on over. But I them suspected. I have to be honest with you, me goalkeeper them suspected. And simple goalkeeper no, Kopama is cold. Keep out the Premier League. And away division 3 comedy. And just say so. Who say he's one of the best goalkeepers? Me suspected. Rich, okay, Chelsea ball or more Conference League in the way, you know. Enzo Maresca koke kebi chire Modric and o kebi chire no di Madueke. Now the next game Madueke abo hat-trick 3 goals. Rich can you hear twem no ho and kasa baby a no ni Madueke jirigina no bo no se ni yankon hye
ko be kati
ko ada ni this is making
obetwa sa baby
abeje ana obebo na afa nche no ababo goalkeeper ne nai no ababo goalkeeper ne bo. Look, the reason why we are saying say power am a hat-trick of assist. The reason why we are saying say no Madueke as a hat-trick ni say Rich this time around chance we are creating man bian on the one to atenanum on the ultimate fire kweso and bobo no ma ball no koto atenam 3 goals and I was say we hope say 3 goals will give him confidence not with Timmy Atos you need to be finishing off sa and normal way na me pe Renato Vegas dina or the ama Neto Nefelis no Netflix there is a very very good name and he's very very creative. Me share game no me nya Joao Felix go no say na me show Rich at a point in time Chelsea counter attack bi and a ball na answer na me share me ka Joao Felix through Ebeka Enzo Fernandez at the base of Chelsea midfield now me kase me any Fifi we've been hard on the guy with the defensive shape and that without the ball yakase he has to do more and I saw that in Abanti and Joao Felix doing it. There's a 6-2 way Edema Enzo Maresca and say Rich what is our focus? I say Oba club no Bianca and say on Chelsea more Champions League. He has said that. I said the Obiaka and say he should improve on the Chelsea players and improve the team in general. And see, that is what he has been able to do. Meaning say me time no copa and that I don't have any more minutes be baby. But yam share and slot ye. It seems that club pressure bia in Liverpool so and can club na one could be able so and also a contender and there will be a Liverpool and when yes freedom no e dey yen nyoma e Liverpool team no kakaka 2 wins out of the 2 games are what me about now which numbers were crazy oh Abranti Efeni Mohamed Salah 128 goals contribution in 128 Premier League appearances for Liverpool at Anfield. It is crazy numbers. 93 goals, 35 assists. Now, all who are Van Dijk is so 100 games at Anfield, 98 wins, or unbeaten for team friend Liverpool. Say Obo or Anfield, and that is it. Ayala the young canasem. The players ne kwa breno. Only say so Obo have to kibia. The players in the side ball no. Okay. Here they about control. Say I'm sick of writing these match balls. What bread they be no na ba near side. Almost say o ma bread. You say me say Manchester. Me can want them. But my mem can wa dey bi. Ye tete abeti ne na ne cha no. Ye tete abeti no. Na ne cha no.
See next game in Liverpool.
Ye tete abeti no.
Ye be sha basro.
Me dey am asema me wo ka kire wa no say ye tete abeti no. Na ne cha no.
Is it that's 11th?
Oh so say. We say be a oda. Ka oda so say ga me. O so say
Manchester United.
Ye wani no ha be a moda. Ye tete abeti no.
Ye be Liverpool aba. Mamusu. Ye be Liverpool but
Fatuma say Jessica.
Sad news are Eba and it's former England boss Sven Grand Exen opinion so Sebi or Daya I'm sorry. Grand Exen
was available when but for us starting a new football mopano. I think he was the first manager who said coach England gidi. Grand Exen Nipo baby ko
I mean, the age is 70 saying 76.
So, of course, I am on debate in the Rich. No craning your meaning. May Barcelona need ye, but ye ne athletic club game na misro.
Yeah, me can Saturday okay.
Yes. Na misro because na me say since I Hansi Flick buy no. onya the full complement of the team. Even with that, no player be said Daniel Omun Kwanswa and Konyen Koye fit. Asenka obetimi abobia enka obeboye team no kra ne yintimi register no. But rich eya kwakwa say Barcelona e financial crisis mu. Omo injury hits start to the season. But rich 2 out of 2 for Hansi Flick and Barcelona. Away game as the Mestalla against Valencia. Home game in a very, very difficult situation against Tima, your friend Athletic Club. Now, I am one say, ABC, and may assure say the Catalan newspapers, Omon heighten the politics between Barca and the Athletic Club. And to which only say, ABC, Obienwa, why headline or the who Athletic Club, especially Nico Williams, say, also one Macrana. Still now, Shamo, Amayami Lama as the best player of the game. Now, Hansi Flick is doing something very, very wonderful with Barcelona team. No, let me Yaman share first goal. Say any trademark cutting in on his left. Now, Wabe Kelly Boro and the Ashaho. He scored a first goal. Sanchez Etienne with a penalty. Then who again? Robert Lewandowski 2 games was 3 goals. Last time at the Mestalla Obo Brace, and this Saturday on the winning goal for Clubber. Your friend Barcelona. Yes, Barcelona struggle with finances, any transfer, no any idea. But Rich Hansi Flick, Ama Elioma, calm down. For Clubber, your friend Barcelona winning 2 goals to 1 against Athletic Club, there it was a big statement. But you see about Bobby say we are. Over say any journalist, Eka, oh Yamila Man share, Robert Lewandowski they share. But Rich, there are 2 players. So we share game Libya. You ultimate game was my brother so Barcelona new defensive midfielder guy, the 17-year-old now. I'm friend Benel. Rich. The guy is a jewel. He seems so disciplined and simple. Me kind of first time I mean Sergio Busquets. No me or doubt be brave, but he grew into that position. Banana is doing that. And again, Rich, say over Atlantic Club we. Na say Yanka Nico William once and more. It means that the ball right back, or a very, very good job. And Jules Kunde did a wonderful job on Nico on the day, Wama Nico and Bakra and Tiange. So a very, very good win for Barcelona. Abra Omu Asia Athletic Club de Bilbao. Mekacho say, look, Real Madrid ain't win Wamayoka, no. But the little mina kwa momoma. Whether in Mbappe Beshe, Vinicius Beshe, Bellingham a pra. Rich, they are going to win the game. And at the end of the day, 3-0. And Real Madrid, DBA or Mobile Stadium, are for this season. Yes, more concern, say, Kylian Mbappe, Enyan signing or La Liga Nimuno. Yes, genuine concern. Say Real Madrid book game here. That's also know who the impact of Vinia. Huge concern. But Rich, football, a teamwork. And so Usha goes to the critically. And the space is never goes in the bayano. And the movement of every player on the pitch. And to maybe the minute 2 obsess about Dabena and Mbappe, they say, oh, fine. But their contribution, and they say, the whole team had to win, especially after some couple drawing on the first game, and 3-0 there. They are home and dry. That is a statement for Tima, your friend Real Madrid, and you know. And Atletico de Madrid so actually Girona show mo 3-0 our Wanda Metropolitano and the completely match day 2 our the Spanish La Liga and Rich so say the Celta Vigo and the Barcelona pay and 100% record our Spanish La Liga with 6 points and Omo at that top followed by the 2 Madrid teams Atletico and Real Madrid 1 draw 1 win obia a win the so that is how La Liga no AC Echo. Now to the English Premier League. Rich between Chelsea and Arsenal. Why not? Obaka say, the statement scoreline of the weekend in the Premier League.
Arsenal.
Yeah. Because Omako winning our Villa.
We Aston Villa last season.
Arsenal
home and away.
Yes.
Arsenal League government was Aston Villa. Yeah.
But you can't Chelsea so last 2 visit to Molino ni na so malusu. To score 6. I don't know what.
Ayala. I was a goalkeeper on suspected.
Thomas,
keeper don't know to take it away.
Yeah, Thomas, you see. And now no pay on. The first race now, why you know? You are making a lot of wrong calls. The Edikai. What's it going on? Joshua exists. Okay. Until who said, say, a idea all careful. Akuma and just say, and then over close to see you even ye. Because, say, boy, young try. Now, obedi na what cut la line. Any papa will also position. I say, ye sago na. It means that no more be getting in a rich. I also ye found with a little bit of suspect. How much me beside the tear for near for. Arsenal 2-0 winner or winner win. Any Chelsea 6-2 no. There any statement. Scoreline this weekend in the Premier League. And maybe I'm a church movie. I bet me inform you when we take a decision. Rich I no credit. This win is big for Arsenal. And Makasa said, Mikel Arteta person or League this season. Especially baby or Koya went to me for full maximum points. Rich, this time around, he must take them. And one of those very, very interesting venues, was the Villa Park against Aston Villa. Now, look, Abanti friend Bukayo Saka. He's turning out to be so impactful with the Arsenal team. But Menijia was Thomas Partey.
Had to go.
Yes. And in the 2 games available for Arsenal, he has really played well. Rich, so Bobo on the camera. That's outside the goal count we say, and then it's Thomas Partey. When you go no Sasa, it gives you a lot of confidence as a player. And Janessa Partey says me camera, but he doesn't care. Because he's playing very, very well, and now he's adding goals from the deep in midfield for Tima, your friend Arsenal. Now, about your friend Leandro Trossard, Rich.
I can't know dear Drew.
What you say?
If you bench, I know about you.
And on your 2 clear, on your compose, I need too much. So, Robbox, you must have bought the cannon. Look, so what about that? So, off the bench, about game 1. I am the hit of the game, a chair and some woman. But the guys say, from the bench, I said, no woman starting game, He is so calm in the box, and Abantiano, some will be some bench rich. He's always a game changer from the bench. Big statements from